Alright, welcome back. It's Monday. Ended cell science last week. We started our MSS this week, or musculoskeletal, which means we're in the anatomy lab. We learned this morning all the muscles of the back, well, the superficial muscles of the back. And then we got let loose in the anatomy lab to go and dissect out those muscles on the cadaver. We got a cadaver. He's a pretty big gentleman. And so we had a lot of adipose tissue to take off. Took off the skin of the back, and then got down to the muscles, the lats, the rhomboids, the teres major, the levator scapulae muscle. All those muscles we had to dissect them out, and then the trapezius muscle we had to go ahead and bring it back, fold it back up towards the neck, and look for the cranial nerve 11 that innervates it, which is kind of fun to get all that done. One note of our body is the embalming fluid didn't completely perfuse out into the tissue, so we had some raw tissue in the back that our professor came by and said that we needed to stop dissection today early so that he could treat that with some Zeroform and some other chemicals to fix that tissue so we can properly do our dissections. So we got out of anatomy lab a little earlier than other people, but we had pretty much dissected out everything we needed to by the time he came over and decided that our cadaver smelled bad because it wasn't completely embalmed correctly. So we'll see how that works out when we go back into the lab on Wednesday. But that was the day. It was pretty nice. Got home, took a little nap, and then studied the rest of the night, and now I'm ready to go to sleep. But today was an exciting day to get to put on the scrubs, get in the lab, and start doing some dissections. So stay tuned. There'll be more good stories to tell from the anatomy lab.